I've been here about 6 years. The house was only 15 years old when I moved here. The insurance company said, you need a new roof. And I said, well, these are 30-year shingles. That doesn't make any sense. So I started investigating. Did I want to have a new roof put on? Did I think I needed to? I did end up changing insurance companies. I didn't put a new roof on because I didn't think it needed it yet. About 3 years ago, this is 3 years after, I started noticing some warps and wobbles. Made me start wondering, and the shingles didn't look the same. They started looking a little more crisp when I was up there. I'd actually already got an estimate a few years ago. Pretty much knew I wanted to put shingles, standard shingles on the house, but I wanted a colored metal on the porches to match my workshop. I already had an idea what I wanted to do. I already had an idea what it would cost. My good friend Casey was having his roof done by you all, True Force. And so, and I asked Casey how it was going, and he said, you know, it's looking great. You know, Dalton was the rep who came over and talked to me, and he's a really nice guy. And I said, you know, can you give me Dalton's number so I can call Dalton, see if he'll come out and give me an estimate? And so I did, and right away Dalton responded and came out, took measurements. And not too long after that, he was back with a formal estimate, a few different estimates. You know, whether I wanted to have it all done in metal, whether I wanted to have it split with shingle and metal, and also an estimate for gutters, because I had gutters on the back, and I had installed those myself. They weren't professional, but I thought I did a good job. It worked. I decided to go ahead with the shingles and the colored metal, and I still got the April discount, which was awesome. I think it was around 15%. It wasn't too long after that, I got a call from Chris that the materials had been ordered and with an estimated start date. And not too long after that, I got a call from Timbo that he'd be the site manager, really nice guy. Talking with all you guys, it's like my family, you know, like we're all cousins or something. Everything started the day it was supposed to. We weren't sure whether it was going to or not because there was a big rain pattern getting ready to move in. And so everything was tentative because this was supposed to last about 4 or 5 days. Believe it or not, it rained a little bit. They waited till after the rain that morning, but then they worked almost till dusk on this place and had it almost done, and then just a little bit of finish up work the next day. And I don't know, everything just went so good. All you guys were totally professional, and I appreciate that. You know, I was a pharmacist for 30 years and I always tried to be professional. I tried to give people the best of me, and to help them out to achieve their outcome, which was to get better. And in this case, the outcome that we were trying to achieve was make my roof beautiful again, and it is. Everybody I've met with this whole crew of True Force, I could get along and have a cold beer with and relax with, go to a concert, go kayaking, have a barbecue, my kind of people.